Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report income from a mutual fund on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your mutual fund income statements, including your Schedule K1. Now, once you have those, go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account. And once you signed into your Turbotax account on the Turbotax website, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your Turbotax mutual fund incomes for. The next step, just choose income, and then you're going to select mutual fund income as your income type. Next step, just enter your total mutual fund income, including any dividends, interest, and capital gains. Next, you're going to claim any unrelated deductions such as mutual fund expenses or charitable donations. And the final step is going to be to review your mutual fund income report just to make sure that it's accurate, and then you're going to submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a mutual fund on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.